This has been a long journey for us. As you know, Barclays decided to do the sell down, and on the back of that, we have been working on not just a brand change, on a strategy as well. So the brand in many ways reflects our ambition to be a proudly African bank, a bank that operates across this continent, that's firmly rooted in Africa, but has got an ambition to grow. It's proud of its African heritage. It's also a brand that has an ambition for being a digitally led bank. That's what this is about.
Of course, the logo is quite digital in that it's got a fresher feel, it's got a younger feel. I mean, one has to wonder how aggressively you will be looking to tap into that pocket of the millennials, which are the dominant population here on the continent right now.
Absolutely. So our employees, all 42,000 of them, the majority of our employees are younger. Our colleagues, the communities that we work and live in reflect that younger population, that ambition. Our customers have that aspiration to be digital, to go out there, to do new things, and this is what this is about. We did a huge amount of work, I think, in coming up with a brand and the ambition that this brand is about. We must have interviewed over 130,000 customers and clients and stakeholders over the length and the breadth of the continent in the countries where we have banks in. And this is what they told us. So this brand very much embodies the ambition, the hopes and the dreams of what it means to be African in today and into the future. And I hope that this is what the brand is about. We have spent over a year working together with 42,000 colleagues internally, not only on the brand, but as I said, also on the strategy. And we've put growth at the center of our strategy, but it's about growth in returns, growth in our revenue. We have an ambition to double revenue.
Let's talk about that. It's a very, very big ambition there, Maria, to double revenue. Exactly how do you plan on executing that, and in what time frame?
Well, the plan for execution is to focus on our core businesses. We have very significant businesses in our portfolio, in our bank, and one of those core businesses is our retail and business bank in South Africa. We have a phenomenal business in our corporate and investment bank, and we have actually been growing revenue strongly in that corporate and investment bank. We are in some very strong businesses across the continent. We're in 10 countries across our continent, and we have been very clear that we are going to compete strongly in every single market we're in, and we're going to take market share back everywhere we are. We've got a strong wealth and investment management and insurance business, and we're going to continue to grow. And so we have the platform. We've got a very big, strong balance sheet with 1.2 trillion rands worth of assets on that balance sheet, and we're going to make that work. And we're also going to be looking for new growth opportunities, and we've made that clear. And we've said our ambition is to be digital and to be digitally led and to build scale in our digital platforms, and the investments going into that. So do we have the ambition to grow? Yes. Is it an ambitious target? Absolutely, but we're not going to be apologizing for that. And we are colleagues. We've invested a year and a half colleagues working together, 42,000, and the ambition is to win and to grow. And so I'm confident we're going to do this.